Hello everyone and welcome to Geography INTL A101, Local Places, Global Regions. My name is Dorn and I am the instructor for this course, and I just wanted to give you a short little tour of the course on Blackboard before we meet in class in early January. And I will go over the entire class and its structure again in January, but I just wanted to show Blackboard to you in case you wanted to explore it a little bit over break or something like that. So you have figured out already that the course enters in on the announcement page, and I'll try to post an announcement at least once a week, sometimes more than that. You have already gone to start here to take a look at this tour, which is about to be posted. You've also discovered that there's a syllabus quiz you need to take. You need to take that to unlock the material for the first region module, so go ahead and do that right away and explore the syllabus a little bit. There is a very sort of stripped down basic syllabus of what you really want to know here. Syllabi are so complicated these days. This is an attempt to make things a little bit easier. But then the more complicated aspects of the syllabus are located down in here. I have a cloud-based syllabus, and it's all sort of broken down in a bunch of information about the course, about me, about university policies. But it's under course structure, where you will probably find the things you're most interested in. It tells you about the book, which should be very easy and relatively inexpensive to buy, the course requirements, the late policy, and then there is a course schedule here as well that sort of lays out everything for the semester. So again, I encourage you to take a look at that. Take a look at the first region module. You have to take the first quiz to do that, but I've already done that as a student. So I can go into the region module, and you'll see that the structure is the same for each of the 8 region modules, 4 for exam 1, 4 for exam 2. They start off with sort of a summary. There's a series of module outcomes, and then each module is broken down into an exploration, a theme, and a solution. And I'll talk about what that means and how it all works again at the beginning of class, but you are free to take a look at that if you want to. You'll also see that the first assignment is open and available. Probably best to wait until I've talked about it in class, but you'll see that many of these videos, these assignments have little videos associated with them. There's also a rubric that you can look at to see how things will be graded. If you go to the exam material, you'll find a little bit about the exams there as well and how the questions are broken down, and about the rubrics as well for the exam question, as well as some sample questions and keys. If you are taking this class via Zoom, still meeting Tuesdays and Thursdays in class, but you will not be joining us in person, you will have the option to come in to take the exam, but you might want to end up taking it at home as well. And if that's the case, you'll have to use a system that UAA is now using called HonorLock. And there's some information about HonorLock here on this page as well. There is also a section of student resources that includes a little bit more information, particularly about 4 of the assignments called the social science thinking assignments, and it includes links to some data that you'll be using for those. Talk more about that in class. You'll see that there is a brief printable syllabus if you want to have something that in paper. There's also a printable schedule here as well, and some more information about the assignments as well. Let's see, is there anything else that I need to talk about? I guess sort of the key things that I also wanted to mention is that don't forget that you have a little grade book here that you can look at. I use that. Everything is built into Blackboard in this course. There's also a calendar, and once things become available and are due, those will all appear on the calendar as well. If you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to contact me. You can go to Contact Professor and find my information, including my email address, and I'm happy to answer any questions that you might have about this course before it starts in January. If not, have a great holiday break, and I will see you at the start of the new year.